Hello everyone and welcome back to automation. Now I've had an idea. It's not a very good idea, but I don't know if it's going to work. However, we can try. I wanted to make the biggest engine possible in this game. So I'm going to use one of the longest cars in the game that I have. Actually, let's upgrade this with a bunch of modern tech. I don't trust this thing to be good. Partial monocoque, light steel, front engine, double wishbone suspension, double wishbone, new project, and this engine is going to be called the Big One. Nice. Right, here comes the moment of truth. Nothing fits. Oh! It fits! Oh! Oh my god, how big can this... Okay, understandable, that doesn't fit. Okay, that fits! Oh, okay. Sure, dual overhead cam, 5 of those babies. 16.1 litre! Right, 16.1 litre. Big one. Head material, aluminium. Jesus Christ. Cast iron, cast light, harmonic dampener. Quality, everything has to be quality. BBT, all cams, all of them. Turbocharger, 4. Why not? Smart boost. A lot of horsepower. There, 3,000 horsepower should be enough. Direct injection. Per cylinder, race. Large manifold. I'm gonna run this on compressed gas. Tubular race exhaust. Singular exhaust. Cat. Oh no. Ah! Nuts. Crank. What's wrong here? Conrod, crank, turbo. Temperature of the engine. Ah. Right. AI tune this. Oh! Hang on a minute! It works! Ah! That's a functioning motor vehicle! Oh, can you get higher compression? Where's compression? Compression. Does that just make the exhaust smaller? No, that means make the exhaust bigger. It's a sweet spot out there. Where's the compression? Ah! Horsepower by horsepower. 2,000 horsepower. In a 16 litre engine. That is as high as the compressor will go. It works though, so let's listen to this. It works, it's an engine. Right, let's get this thing tuned then, shall we? Right, what colour should we have? We need to make this thing amazing. What's like a really cool thing to call this? High shine. Wait, what about low shine? High flake. Go on then. Call it purple. Let's make it purple. Yes. Nice. Good. just letting you know. Alright. Nice. Alright, should we try and get some text on here? And a badge. Get some fancy text. Silver text. Where should we write this?
6 hours later.
Apologies everyone, the recording just cut off. However, we did find a name for our vehicle. It's called the Clarkson. Hasn't changed much since you last saw it. I literally just added the text. And that's about it. Everything's the same, I just gave it the brakes. Everything's good. Right, so I think it's time to export to BeamNG. Everybody, I give you... Wow. The Clarkson. Look at this thing. It's majestic. Listen to it. It's so quiet. Oh god. Okay. It's not the best. Oh wow. Oh, it's quite quick though. Jesus! All 2,000 horses to good use. Stop right there. Let's do a tunnel test. Oh, the lights are good. Ah. Okay. This thing needs to calm down a little bit. Okay, it's not too... It's actually quite drivable, to be honest. I actually kind of like this thing. Right, now we have a tunnel test. Go! Oh, never mind. It turns as well! Alright, here's tunnel test. Entering power drive. Here we go. Nearly 200 miles an hour. Could this be our new fastest car? Probably. Still staying stable. Come on, 2,000 horsepower for just 225 miles an hour. It's atrocious. Oh god! Oh dear.
No, that's not gone well.
I don't know about you guys, but that doesn't look too good, does it? Can we pull this back into shape? No. Oh, I stole the wheel and there it goes. Okay. Are you guys ready for... Oh. I've noticed a crucial design flaw with this car. The exhausts are hanging on the floor. Oops. Well, let's start. Surprisingly quiet still. Surprised the exhausts don't, like, actually slow us down. Jesus, this thing takes off fast, though. Brakes are good. It corners well. This might even be... This is going to be still immediately better than the Crumpet Teabag GT. It will also probably be better than the Ferrari regular, because that thing was slow as hell because of its horrible suspension. Look at the speed round the corners. Cheeky little handbrake turn that doesn't work because this car already has great brakes. Round the corners. Oh, it's taking it like a dream. Here we go, long straight. Okay, we're going pretty well so far. Oh no, slow down. Hit something, that's never a good sign in a time trial. Especially not for me, because that usually means we're going to fail. Nah, we won't though, we'll be fine. I'm built different. Turn around the corner. Like so. This thing is absolutely beating the thingy GT. Crumpet Teabag. Jesus! Calm down! Woo! Go, 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 go! Speed! And skadoosh! We have completed the race. Oh, it's flipping! New best time. 5 seconds faster. That's not a lot faster than I thought it would be. However, let's just watch this amazing crash occur. Oh well, at least the driver can't be hurt since they're so far away from the bonnet. We're on the grid map. Do you know what that means? It's speed time. Let's go! We've got a bit of a crap start, but still, we can do this. We can work with it. It's a lot quieter on the inside, somehow even quieter than on the outside. The engine is just right there. You can see the engine in front of us. Okay, I knew this could do better than 200. Look at it go! This is a machine! But it is, you can see the fuel going down. Okay, 230, 240. Oh yeah. 250 question mark? Yup, 250. We're going. I love this thing. It actually looks so good too. The Clarkson. Very refined vehicle, as you can see. I just don't like that the exhausts are dragging on the floor. And it's very controllable too, like, look. This is me trying to spin it out and nothing bad's happening. Let's try not to hit anything. I mean, I can't really see very well. Oh, that's a ramp. Whee! There he goes. And smash! When he stops, eventually... No, the water, no! More water! Well, he looks a bit broken, doesn't he? Still works though. Very persistent.
Bruh.
So it survived that over 200-mile-an-hour collision, flew through the air all the way over to here, slid through all this water, landed up there, and it worked perfectly. But it goes in about a foot of water, and it's broken. The Clarkson is a disappointment.